Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about the introduction to operating system module 1. As of now, as a beginner, we have to know in general what is an operating system. Operating system is a program that manages the computer hardware. That is, it is not a hardware for sure, because operating system is a program. Program means what? It contains set of instruction and it has to manage the computer hardware. Why one has to manage the computer hardware? Because computer is not a single thing. It will be containing the input output devices, printer, plotter, or any other external devices if you're going to connect. One, it is mandatory or important to check whether everything is working fine or not, whether all the resources is allocated properly, whether everything is working in a good condition, or if any interrupt comes or any errors comes in between, what has to happen or how to bring back to the original position. All such things has to be taken care, and these things will be done. These management, process management, file management, memory management, in all of these kind of managements will be managed by the operating system. So operating system is a program that manages the computer hardware. Not only it is used for managing the computer hardware, it also provides the basis for the application program. Now what is an application program? Application program is nothing but any app or application any program that a user needs, so he will download and use it. So basically now you can imagine there is a computer hardware is manufactured, computer hardware with no any other softwares. Then on top of that hardware the operating system is installed. On top of the operating system this application program is going to be embedded, that is, it is going to be clubbed. And also it acts as an intermediary between the computer user and the hardware. So this operating system is the one which is going to act like a middleman between the user and the hardware. It will take the data from take input from the user and redirect to the hardware, telling that we got the input, we have to process it and give the output. So in this way it acts like a middleman or a mediatory. So basically this OS design, how do we design this OS? It is based on the two important factors. One is efficiency and one more is convenient. What is efficient? Efficient is you should not use it is like you have to use all the components or all the resource of the computer. You have to use it efficiently, meaning you have to use maximum utilization should be maximum, how much you can use, that much you can use. That is called efficient. Whereas what is convenient? Convenient is easy to use without much effort, without much struggle. If you are using it, then that we call it as inconvenient. Now the OS is designed based on these two principles itself. One is efficiency, one is convenience. Other case is the third case, that is we need efficiency as well as this convenience. Now let us check for what all efficiency only required and only convenience, or we need both convenience and efficiency. Efficient is required especially for the mainframe operating system. Mainframe operating system is a large device, or you can consider it as you need to handle with the biggest data, large amount of data, large amount of processing the data. In such cases we will go for the mainframe computers, and in that when the efficiency is only kept in mind and design that particular operating system. So the main concept is maximum utilization of the hardware should be there. No, you should not waste much of time. You should use all the hardware at a time. It is not like right now you are using keyboard, you can use once the keyboard work is done, later you can use the mouse. It's not like that. Keyboard should do its work and mouse should do work simultaneously at a time if it is required. Okay, you should use the hardware maximum. Convenient is, it is not that every time you have to put much of effort and waste all your energy. It is not like that. It should be easy to use. easy to use only we'll keep in mind, and generally this convenient is followed, this OS design is followed especially in the PCs, our personal computers or laptops, because we will be using some games or doing some application and everything in between or whatever etc. If you're doing, it should be easy to use. Or if you're downloading some app, they should not be like, I'm not compatible, I'm not going to work for you. It should not tell like that. Okay, it should be easy to use. Almost we will try that or everything is working fine. Then comes the super case, that is convenient and efficient. It must be used for the large data. At the same time, it should be easy to use also. This will generally this concept will use in the handheld computers. Handheld computers can be like your tab. Okay. Maximum hardware utilization, so the maximum whatever is possible you have to use. At the same time, you should not put much of effort also. In that case, we'll go with the convenient and efficiency.